Everyone, welcome back to episode 7 of the Idle Game series. Now, we're going to make a very basic prestige system today. We're not going to have any proper boost, to be honest, but we're going to have a very, very basic prestige system. We're going to improve it in a later episode, but for now, it will do. So, the way we're going to do this, we're going to get our we're going to get our money text. So we're going to get our money boost text, drag it down a bit, like so. And I'm going to rename this to, what should we call our prestige currency? Let's just call it token. No, let's not call it token. Let's call it, what goes well? So let's call it, I don't know, Bitcoin. I was going to call my prestige currency Bitcoin. Then let's say Bitcoin 0. There we are. I'm going to make this like a yellow probably, actually, just because it's our prestige. So it's like, they want to know it's a different colour, it's rarer to get, it's harder to get. Drag it down a bit more. Now, let's go open our main game script. What we're going to do is we're going to go to our public data, and we're going to make a new variable. I know, another one. This, we're going to create a new public, actually, yeah, it will be a new double, called tokens. Now, this tokens is going to be a sort of our boost for now. We're gonna use tokens as our boost. Now, it won't be very good, but it'll do now. It'll do for now. We're gonna make a more improved boost in a future video, but for now, we're gonna set tokens equals 0. Save that. Now in our main game, we also want to do the exact same for if tokens, and then we're going to do two straight lines, which I don't. Can't. I'm just going to copy this whole thing here. Copy that. Drop down, paste it, and say if. And then this is going to be tokens. Then we're going to set tokens. Actually, no, we don't change anything, do we? Because tokens is already 0. We're not declaring it as any value properly. Now, all we're going to say is we're going to make a public void, because we're going to make a function, a method, and we're going to call this prestige. We're not going to need any arguments or anything. No, any parameters, sorry. We're not going to be taking in any arguments, as I should say. Here, we're just going to say data dot. And then we're going to get basically everything here. We're just going to copy it all. And just do that. Now I'm going to add data dot to everything. And this is just going to reset everything back to its default value. Apart from tokens. What we're going to do with tokens is say data dot tokens equals 0. No, not equals 0, sorry. Plus equals 1. That's what we're going to do. And what this means is it's going to add 1 token every time we prestige. The cost of prestiging is going to be, I don't know yet. We'll think of that when we get to it. For now, let's go over to our Unity thing. We're going to make a prestige button. So let's move both of these buttons up and just duplicate the production upgrade, move it down. These won't be perfect. I'm actually going to make this one smaller because we don't need it that big. And this is going to become prestige. And here we're just going to say prestige. Now we're going to go to our prestige and we're going to set the function on this to literally just prestige. We're now going to go back to our script and we're going to make in the data a brand new public, this will be a double, token price. We'll do. We don't want this to be tokens, so we want this to be Bitcoin. BTC price, because BTC is short for Bitcoin in the crypto world. Now we'll do Bitcoin. Save that. We need to set the price. Let's do. What's the best way of doing this? BTC price equals. I'm going to set the default to 500. So it's going to cost 500 coins for the first rebirth. Now we're going to go over here, get a couple of errors because this needs to be Bitcoin, and we're going to say data.btc price equals no, this is going to be times equals 1.53. I'm going to times it by, but we also need to say if data.money is bigger than or equal to data.btc price, then we'll run all this, because we only want a prestige obviously if we have enough money. Awesome. We're now going to go into the void update. We're going to get a new text actually for our token text. This will be Bitcoin text right here, Bitcoin buy text actually, and then we're going to have another text which is going to be public text Bitcoin text. Now you can call your rebirth currency whatever you want. Now I'm going to go copy this, and then Bitcoin text is going to be Bitcoin plus data.bitcoin, .toString. And then this here is going to be, copy that, this is going to be Bitcoin buy text equals prestige to get +1 Bitcoin. And we're going to remove the per second. So here we're going to have prestiges, and that where it says level, this is going to be prestiges. And then BT, this is going to be, we don't really need the number of prestiges they have because that's in the tokens, so we could just say .bitcoin, .toString. The price is BTC price, there we are. And now that we've done that, we're going to times everything. Where it's got data.money plus equals and blah blah blah, we're going to times this by the Bitcoin price. So times by data times Bitcoin +1, all in brackets, because we got to do +1 because at the moment you prestige once to get 1. I don't. Oh yeah, we got to add another times over time. You buy 1 to get 1 Bitcoin, and it's only still timesing by 1. So you just add 1, so you get that flow. Now we haven't really got anything else to do, I don't think. Let me have a look. We could do it on our click as well. We could set, if we wanted to. We could do click power times data open bracket data dot Bitcoin +1 if we wanted to. Now we can save that, go back over to Unity, go to our scripts, drag in our Bitcoin text, drag in our Bitcoin buy text. Also going to rename these texts, so it's going to be Bitcoin buy text, and then this is going to be not click upgrade but production upgrade text. Now let's go make this text a lot bigger because it's far too small. That's better. Now if we run this, first you get +1 Bitcoin, and then all the price in that is not there because we need to make an if statement for it. Rather than making a whole other if statement, I'm actually just going to clear all this, and I'm just going to wipe the entire thing. I'm going to make this Arduino series, just I'm going to put 2 on the end, just to wipe the entire save. Just for now, because I don't want to faff about with more code. There we are, everything's back to normal. Right, now we can play it from the beginning, so let's try this. Okay, let's buy more click upgrade already. Let's just sort of get our click upgrades going. So we know, so we're clicking good. Let's go get some of these. We can't prestige till we have 500 coins. So let's go get 500 really quick. We're nearly there. Now, if we prestige, it goes to 1 prestige. Price goes up. Our money per second doesn't reset, but all our levels and prices have. Now, for every click we do, let me just stop this quick and then wipe the I need to set the MPS. So let me go data dot MPS equals 0. Forgot about that. Now, if we play, we're gonna have to prestige again, just because we've sort of messed it up. That's fine. It's quite easy to do it again. It's not really that much hassle. Nearly there. 765. There we go. Now, because we prestige twice, we should get 3 per click, and we do. Awesome. And now we get 3 per second for every 1. We also need to go change our text. So rather than saying, you know, money per second, we're going to do times by data.bitcoin plus 1, like that. Plus, and then also we're going to put brackets around all this. And we're going to get rid of this .to string and put this on the outside, and we can get rid of these brackets as well. Why can't we do that? Data.mps times by data.bitcoin plus 1. Uint and string. Where's the string? Oh, this needs to be a .to string as well. So .to string times by data.bitcoin plus 1. Now can we remove that? Nope. Okay. What is this? Oh, I see. So rather, this would be times by plus data.mps times data.bitcoin. That's it. And then we could do .to string and then put all this in brackets. And okay, that's it. There we are. Now if we run it, it will say money per second is 3 rather than 1. There we are. And we only have 1 upgrade, so boom, 6. Awesome. So that's the basics of our prestige. We're gonna make it even better in the future. We will, but for now this is just the basics of it. Right, so thanks everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe. If you want to see, if you like this video, everyone, make sure to leave a like on it. If you like our content, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.